I'm excited to be here with all of you and introduce our wonderful guest for the evening. His list of accomplishments is so long that it's humbling to even look at. I did. I can't read all of it. Session khatam ho jayega.
I'm glad you did.
So, in his long tenure as an IS officer, he has served as the DC of Panchkula, the director of IT and tourism, the director of public relations.
I appeared on both of these podcasts, right?
I know.
That's why I'm so confident here. Because I appeared on the Rajkumari podcast, so this is a piece of cake. 2 years ago and 3 years ago, I appeared on these, and 4 years ago. Because I went to Ranveer twice and Rajkumari once. Okay, so we can't talk and write about human beings without the human element. It cannot be numbers. You can't be A2, C2, D2, which is AI. AI could be walking around here in the bookworm club after 10 years. You seen the IPL robo? Like a dog, he goes.
Yeah.
So he doesn't have a heart. And the person who's walking with him is a cricketer who has a heart. So we are talking about a cusp right now. We're talking about cusps. We didn't finish that right. Where have we reached? Gemini. You have to feel strongly about something. You can't just write for compulsion unless you are told by someone you should become a writer. You should start writing. Then you can. But unless you feel compelled to, like you saw some pain in life. You saw someone who was going through a lot of pain, destitute, ill, underprivileged, not able to walk. Arunima Sinha, anyone? Heard of this name? Arunima Sinha? Volleyball player? Yeah.
I've heard of her name.
She started climbing mountains.
Yeah.
Now she's written a book on how she climbed Mount Everest with prosthetic legs.
Yes, yeah.
So Arunima Sinha is someone who inspires. So if you have a little bit of inspiration in your mind only, then you start writing. We're talking about creative writing. Again, we're not talking about technical reports. Yeah. So if you feel strongly about something, on the lighter side, you say कि या तो कोई दर्द होना चाहिए या इश्क होना चाहिए. कुछ तो होना चाहिए. अगर हम क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Something has to be there. It's either love or pain or the heart has to be involved. Passion. Passion has to be there, only then we write. And even if you're moderately passionate about something, you should have thought about it. So we're talking about this hall. Let's talk about the experience of this hall. Now we have a vibe. Ramsey, then Alpha, vibe. Vibe. We have an aura. Aura. Each person has an aura. Or I'm in the mood to write something which is sadistic. Sadistic. New word. Sadistic means taking pleasure in pain. I don't know the literal meanings. Taking pleasure in negativity, in pathos. Pathos means sadness. So I am the kind of person who might be moody also. Sometimes I'm happy, in a great mood, I'll write happy stuff, and sometimes I'll write sad stuff. Or I'm the kind of person who loves writing sad stuff. Or I'm the kind of person who never writes that kind of stuff. He's shouting at the phone, talking to his juniors in a very vile way, V-I-L-E, vile way. And he's also criticizing the food on the coach. He's criticizing the air conditioning. He's criticizing the seat. He's criticizing the government. He's criticizing the cricket team. And he's criticizing Notorious and everything else. Right? And there is also the boss who calls him up at about 7:30 a.m. So 6:53 we got onto the train from Chandigarh. 6:53 से वो phone करना शुरू कर देता है. And by 7:30 or 8:30, let's say, the boss has woken up or whatever, he talks to his boss. And the only time his tone changes is when the boss is on the other end. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Perfect, sir. Of course, sir. Of course, sir. And then Jesse phone again impact. So we don't want to be like this guy. But we can write about it. He's a born critic. Born negative guy.
Sir, what if you marry that guy?
See, I will not marry him. Probably from November. So I met the Indian hockey team about 4 years ago in Bangalore. So they called me as a motivational speaker. I'm live today, but there is a book called How to Change Others. And on the first page of that book, it says, in order to change others, change yourself.
Yes, that's what I did. So with Darling, that's
How does Gen Z respond or millennials respond when a fellow millennial comes and tries to talk to you? Do you respond favorably or you're going to ignore it?
Not all of us are the same. You can't just put us in one. So some just it's like a conversation. They're gonna talk back.
There's a word called ghosting.
Yeah.
I made a reel on ghost. I have reels on my Instagram page, one of the topics, because I talk to them. I talk about vibe and
Yes.
So I made a reel on ghosting, which you can watch later. 17. You know the year I resigned from the IAS?
Oh wow.
2017.
It was mentioned.
Lovely. Very nice. Areas there, so it's okay.
So there are multiple aspects which are irritating her. There's a man staring at her. There's no staff around to attend to her, to give her coffee, which she had ordered maybe 30 minutes ago. And she's looking for...
Need a bit more description of these two women.
Yes, I was coming.
We need a bit. We've got the situation now. We need description. So let's continue. Yes, ma'am.
40-year-old bald man who was really dark complexion and was having a weird look. Might be he was sitting in that cafe, because in cafe most of the time we sit and we want to have our me time. So he was there with his laptop to write or pen down on something.
She seemingly looked. She was very petite, and seemingly she looked in her early 40s.
ये दोनों 40s हैं तो teenagers are not
Okay,
anymore. Only the 40s are.
maybe the 50s.
So let it be 40s for you. And others can have them as 20s, there's no problem. For 20s, 30s, whatever, 50s, whatever you want. Yes.
So she was very calm. You know, she was. She had the salt and pepper look. She was very comfortable in her own, in her own self, and there was some kind of a.
You're good. Just say a few lines about the story next part of the story. Tell me about this book.
So this one I wrote just this year, so like the last
You
year.
got two.
Yeah, this one I wrote when I was 12 years old. Like
So this is not great. This is
Exactly.
I understand.
Experience and something emotional that I went through.
Show me.
And we'll wait for your popcorn.
Did Mama did drawings and all?
Dear sir, hope you enjoy this. Nandini.
खुद से ना होगी तो दूसरों से क्या मिलोगे? जब खुद ही को जान ना पाए तो दूसरों को क्या जानोगे तुम? जब क्षमा जलेगी अंधेरे में तो रोशनी का नूर फैलेगा. जब खुद से लड़ना बंद होगा तभी तो प्यार उमड़ेगा.
क्या बात?
जो ध्वनि सुनाई देती है भीतर से वह ध्वनि तुम हो. जहाँ सांझ ढलती है सूरज की वह आसमान भी तुम हो. तुम जानो या ना जानो, मानो या ना मानो, ये सृष्टि तुम्हारी है और तुम ही ये सृष्टि हो. तो डरो मत अपनाने से अपने आप को, अपने अंतर मन को, क्योंकि जो दिखता है वह होता नहीं और जो होता है वो दिखता नहीं. जो रोशनी तुम्हें जलाती है वह रोशनी भी तुम हो. जो उड़ता है आसमान में वह परिंदा भी तुम हो. तो कायर मत समझो अपने आप. इंसान हो, इंसान बन, छू लो अपनी इस जमीन और अपना अपने उस आसमान.